How to add a photo to a contact number on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a photo to a contact on your Android device. Let's get started. First, open the Contacts app on your Android device. Find and select the contact you want to add a photo to. Tap on the Edit button, usually represented by a pencil icon, at the bottom or top of the screen. Next, tap on the camera or photo icon near the contact's name. You'll be given options to either take a new photo or choose one from your gallery. Select the photo you want to use and adjust it within the frame. Once you're happy with the selection, tap Done or Save. That's it. The photo is now added to your contact. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.